What to do if your gallbladder hurts. The gallbladder is known because once it starts to hurt, it usually requires surgery, or simply put, it needs to be removed. Curiously, many doctors operate immediately without offering a natural option to solve the problem. But will there be one? Will there truly be a natural solution that you can follow so your gallbladder finally lets you live in peace? So in this video, I'm going to discuss what natural things you can use right at home to effectively relieve your gallbladder pain, regulate the liver's gallbladder problem, and significantly improve your overall health naturally and effectively. A warm greeting to everyone. I am Dr. Agustin Landivar, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. On this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients through natural medicine, homeopathy, and acupuncture before resorting to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. Therefore, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and press the little bell down here to receive notifications and be the first to see the new video. If you need an online consultation or quality supplements for your health condition, visit drlandivar.com and stay until the end of the video for valuable tips and related content on this topic. The gallbladder is a small green organ located just beneath our liver. It's a small pouch-like sac that stores the well-known bile that the liver continuously produces for the process of digestion. As time progresses, this gallbladder can become inflamed. It can cause pain, it can become filled with gallstones, and it may even require surgical removal to prevent a serious infection or a significant health problem. Now, before this problem escalates to such a critical point, there are many things you can personally do to alleviate the discomfort of gallbladder pain and, crucially, to ensure that you won't have to undergo surgery to have that gallbladder removed. So in this video, I'm going to discuss exactly what steps you can take to relieve those gallbladder pains and prevent yourself from getting sick from that small sac, helping you maintain your health naturally and effectively. Number one, you should significantly reduce the amount of fat in the foods you consume. You've probably noticed that people often experience considerable gallbladder pain after eating a meal that is very rich in fats. If you avoid the consumption of heavy, rich fats, whether that comes perhaps from animal fat, like a small piece of pork for lunch, or a little bit of beef or steak, and perhaps even some butter or something quite greasy in a processed meal, you will find that your gallbladder pain will significantly decrease. The problem is that many people notice that after eating something, they don't realize it contained fat. It obviously hurts them, and they also don't want to stop consuming certain junk foods they really shouldn't. If you pay close attention, the gallbladder is responsible for storing bile, all that liquid that will later help digest precisely the fats. And if you consume a larger quantity of fat, your gallbladder will be forced to function at a much higher rate, causing more pain, becoming more inflamed, and creating more issues for you without any real solution. Quite obviously, everything will depend on whether or not you are willing to stop consuming fatty foods. If you stop eating fats, the pains will significantly decrease. If you increase your consumption of junk food and unhealthy snacks, obviously your pains are going to get worse. If you need a quality supplement that can truly help with gallbladder pain so you can properly digest your meals and improve your health precisely in that organ that needs it, look for Finley's Cysto Lessons and Laxi-Prune at drlandivar.com. Number two, drink digestive teas. When you have gallbladder pain, drink certain teas that can aid digestion. Teas such as peppermint, chamomile, spearmint, ginger. All teas that help you digest, calm gallbladder pain, detoxify the liver, and obviously improve digestion. If instead of that, for example, with your gallbladder pain, you start to consume Coca-Cola, carbonated drinks, sugary beverages, or juices that are packaged, canned, or contain a lot of sugar, how do you honestly expect to improve your condition? Don't forget that your gallbladder is an essential part of the digestive system. Everything you eat will affect you. If you give more importance or effort to consuming foods that aren't worth it, then obviously your gallbladder won't respond. If you need a high-quality supplement to improve your gallbladder pain and help you relieve your digestion, also enhancing that health problem, then look for Finley's D-Enzymes, GI Balance, and Probilin at drlandivar.com. Number three, you need to lose weight. Interestingly, for those who may not be aware of this, the people who suffer most from vesicular and gallbladder pain are precisely those who are overweight. Due to a problem with hormonal production, an issue of fat overproduction, and its subsequent accumulation, one of the organs most affected is the liver and the gallbladder. You may have noticed, perhaps, I don't know, that among your relatives, all slender people have fewer illnesses. They even experience fewer pains and gallbladder complications. And for them, digestion is much simpler. The gallbladder's function is precisely easier, and it's simpler to alleviate pain when it's about to emerge. If you truly wish to lower and diminish gallbladder pain, you must also assist your body. Lose some weight, go on a diet, eat a much lighter diet with plenty of vegetables, with fruits, less fat, and less sugar. Do your very best so your digestion isn't heavy, and so your gallbladder isn't giving you pains and headaches too when it's time to make it suffer. If you are in need of a high-quality supplement that is able to assist in alleviating all of these issues related to weight gain, fat metabolism, and your overall well-being, then be sure to look for Finley's Figure Riser and Apple Riser at drlandivar.com. Number 4, you should try using some apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is famous all around the world. Famous because it helps to alleviate liver problems, gallbladder issues, and digestive difficulties as long as you know how to properly consume it. On numerous occasions, I've had to advise people to take apple cider vinegar, and then I find they consume it directly pure, and obviously it burns their stomach, which it shouldn't. When you're going to consume it, make sure to dilute it in water so that the apple cider vinegar doesn't cause you any acidity and won't harm you. And even better still, if you take a supplement that doesn't contain apple cider vinegar in liquid form, but rather one that can help alleviate issues with your liver, gallbladder, and digestion, and also improve fat consumption and its metabolism. Always keep in mind that your gallbladder condition is something quite simple to resolve, as long as you truly want to and have the will. Diet, exercise, avoiding the consumption of foods that are essentially junk, and obviously also sleep, hormones, and your overall health. Number 5, consume magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that can help prevent the formation of stones, especially the formation of calcium stones. Calcium and magnesium are two minerals that work together in the body, and when there isn't enough magnesium, calcium normally tends to calcify in certain unwanted parts of the body. For example, the kidneys with their renal calculi, the gallbladder with its gallstones or biliary stones, and so forth throughout the body, a lack of magnesium can cause calcium to accumulate in an inappropriate manner. If you consume magnesium, if you consume the 3 best and most distinct types of magnesium that are found in nature, I can assure you that your body will not have to contend with calcifications that are out of the ordinary. You will not have kidney stones. You will not have gallbladder problems. And what's worse, if your hormones are in order, the liver and gallbladder problem will not exist. So try to consume a little magnesium. In other words, also make sure to eat plenty of vegetables as they contain it. Consume potassium, which is found naturally in vegetables, not in capsule form, and help your body to avoid the calcification of stones that will later bring you pain, expenses, operations, and future problems, which removing your gallbladder won't be able to solve. If you need a quality supplement of the 3 best types of magnesium found in nature for your gallbladder, for your kidneys, and for your body, your bones in general, look for Bone Ultra and Magnesite from Fineland at drlandivar.com. And don't forget to like the channel and share it with your friends and family so they can be informed about this important topic. If you have any doubts or questions, please leave your comment below, and I will gladly answer it. If you need quality supplements for your illness or an online consultation, visit drlandivar.com. And right here in our other videos, you'll find valuable information that can help prevent serious illness in the future. Thank you for attending, and we'll see you soon.